Hello, this is Marcus. Thank you for listening. Welcome back to another great video today. We're looking at an iBook here. Now, yes, I did buy another one, but with these iBooks, the more the merrier. They're always getting more collectible, etc., etc. Look at my disgusting fingers. I don't even know what I did. Like, I'm recording this voiceover about like 2 or 3 weeks after I unboxed this MacBook because I've been kind of busy with stuff. So yeah. It was a very fragile box. I used some screwdrivers to open up the box because that's the best opening tool you could ever use. I know there's nothing better you could use ever. Don't at me on that because I know I'm always right. I know it's just a problem of mine. But we're unboxing this iBook. It was packaged pretty well, and look, there's an iPod second gen on my desk. I don't even know where that came from. It just appeared mysteriously one morning. And this iBook looks like Little Caesars colors because it was totally a sponsorship between Little Caesars and Apple back in 2000. In 2000, there you go. Or in 1999 for this model, because because your Tangerine iBooks are your first gens, which came out in 1999. Along with your blueberry ones. Whew. Those bad boys were powerful. Don't get me started on how much they could probably play a Fortnite 90 frames per second, no lag at all, ever. Look at that. Beautiful. Still has the Apple logo in it. That's pretty good. Those usually fall out and don't work too well. The hinge doesn't have any cracks on it. There's no real cracks on the outsides I can see. Got one port. The first gens only had USB ports because they're boring like that. Don't worry about that. Oh, we're probably getting demonetized for that. But the Apple logo doesn't have too many cracks on it on the inside, which is pretty good. The keyboard is translucent and looks pretty cool with the orange accents. And now I'm plugging in the iBook. It took a minute for me to find the hole. Sorry guys, it's my first couple times doing it. I'm still learning. Look at that. Plugs it in. The battery's dead in it, which I don't really care. It's usually how they are. I only have one iBook with a working battery. It's my one I unboxed earlier on the channel, which you should totally watch that video where it has the original box and everything. It's pretty cool. This iBook turns on, boots up into Mac OS 9. Right there. There we go, guys. Tired from that. That's my exercise for the day, guys. I know. Don't worry about it. When this thing booted up, it didn't like me too much at first. It gave me this weird error message. Look at that. Your computer did not shut down properly. Disk first aid is checking your hard disk and will repair any problems. If your computer is having problems, see Mac Help for troubleshooting information. You can turn off this warning in General Controls panel. Verifying Macintosh hard drive. I am in misery. There ain't nobody who can comfort me. Oh yeah, why won't you answer me? That's how the slowly kill me. Oh yeah, you really got me mad. You really got me bad. And as you can see, this MacBook works fine. It has the classic tangerine wallpaper on it, which looks pretty good. I mean, it's a classic, you can't go wrong with it. I actually saw some video games before I knew what macOS 9 was, and I was wondering where the wallpapers came from. They came from macOS 9. There's a small Marcus fact of the day. This thing has a lot of like stuff from like 1999 on it, like an AOL account. It has a network time error too. Okay, move on to the second unboxing of an Indigo iBook G3. Welcome back to the second part of this video today. We'll be looking at some untested Indigo iBook I bought off of eBay. I have the scratch out some of my information so you don't see it because I don't want to get doxxed and hacked and killed and murdered. Not today. Look at that. Hamburger! Hamburger! What is that, a hamburger? I don't know what that is, but let's continue unboxing this monstrosity. Oh. Ow! Oh! Oh, the box is fighting back! I gotta go get the box. Oh, God, it's fighting back! It's fighting back! Okay, we're good. The box. Okay, I think we're right at the box. Fight. Okay, we're good. Oh, it's a Burger King ad. Please sponsor me, Burger King. I need the money. Burger King on the ground. Oh, look at these things stink. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, this thing's gonna be a big chonker to set up. I feel like this thing is gonna be absolutely fried. Got a small little crack up here. I got this for pretty cheap for it being untested. It looks absolutely nasty. So I'm gonna be cleaning that out. Oh, that looks disgusting. It's like it has like herpes or something like that. Which hopefully it doesn't get to my other MacBooks that I have laying around the room right now. Don't worry about my bed. I'm having too much anal to clean it, so don't worry about it. Of course, it doesn't power on. Probably it's a dead battery. I'm gonna oh, there's a small crack right there. Not too bad around the Apple logo. But let's plug it in, see what happens. So, you're coming with me, Mr. iBook. Hinge work. It does work. Get out of the way! Hey, get out of the way! Get out of the way! Hey! Get out of the way. Put it right here. And to go, iBook, get my wallet out of the way. Oh, that's not too healthy. Oh, God, the bottom of it. Oh boy, this is gonna be it might be a miracle if this thing turns on and works. Does it do anything on? Oh, look at that. Has the light. That's a good sign. Let's see how I turn it on. Oh, that is not healthy. Wake up, wakey, wakey, Mr. iBook. Come on. You gonna work? No. Doesn't sound too healthy. Yeah, kind of, look at that. That's not too good. Oh, it's turning on. Oh. It really is turning on. This is a miracle, guys. It's on macOS 10 too. Pretty cool. Pretty cool if you ask me. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Good iBook. Good iBook. Good iBook. Any day now you will turn on and work. I feel like it's gonna be like a 5 terabyte like hard drive in here with like a bunch of porn on it, but I that's what I just guess. Look at that. Oh, what is that? Is that Hatsune Miku? Oh my god. All the stuff on here. I was kind of joking about the porn, but we might have some on here and it's straight stuff, so it's pretty nasty. So we're not gonna open any of these. Sims 3 University Life. That's pretty cool. Let's see. 10.3.9 has half a gig of RAM. Look at that. I don't feel like I don't want to touch this thing after what's on here. Downloads. Let's see if there's any good downloads. Oh, why is it called Juju? I'm not gonna open any of these on camera just in case they're not YouTube appropriate. Cause I don't want to get like killed and murdered. Has a lot of stuff downloaded on it. Has a upgraded hard drive, as you can see. 7 gigs. So this was replaced at some point. That's pretty cool.
So yeah, thanks for watching today's video. We got 2 working iBooks out of it, so I'm pretty happy. Stay tuned for the next video where I don't even know what I'm gonna do.